Hello, we are discussing about GATE 1995 ECE paper, and this question is related to digital circuits. An RS latch is A. Combinational circuit, B. Synchronous sequential circuit, C. 1-bit memory element, D. 1 clock delay element. Okay, so the right answer for this one is nothing but 1-bit memory element. RS latch is going to be a 1-bit memory element. RS latch is going to be simply a NAND latch, or it can be a NOR latch. So if you are going with NAND latch, at that time two NAND gates are going to be connected. Okay, two NAND gates are going to be cross coupled such that output of one NAND gate is going to be connected as input for the other. So this is the outputs, and these are going to be the R and S values. So this will be R and it will be S. This will be treated as Q and it will be Q bar. Okay, so this is RS latch. This is the diagram of RS latch. Okay, so there is no clock involved in this RS latch. That implies nothing but whenever there is no clock, at that time it cannot be called as synchronous sequential circuit. It can be called as a sequential circuit with, okay, because it is going to be having a memory element, so that every sequential circuit will be consisting of at least one memory element. But it is not synchronous sequential circuit. Synchronous implies nothing but the outputs and inputs must be synced with clock. But as there is no clock, it cannot be a synchronous sequential circuit. So the B option cannot be the answer. Okay, and how can we say that one? It is going to be called as 1-bit memory element. Okay, let us assume if Q is equal to 0 and Q bar is equal to 1, by that time this 0 is going to be presenting, and because of this 0, at that time that 0 is going to be making one of the input for this NAND gate is 0. That implies nothing but output will be always 1. So you will get 1, and that 1 comes over here, and you will, if you give R is equal to 1, at that time Q is equal to 0. So we can write the truth table like this depending on the values. If RS is equal to 1, 1, 1, by that time Q plus is nothing but same Q, that is nothing but hold state. Whereas whenever R is equal to 0 and S is equal to 1, if R is equal to 0, by the time irrespective of other input, that makes Q to 1. Okay, R is equal to 0 is nothing but Q to 1, and whenever Q will become 1, at that time you will get 1 over here, that 1 along with S1. 1 into 1 is 1, 1 bar is nothing but 0. This will come into the 0 condition. So Q and Q bar will be 1 0. Similarly, if it is 1 0, at that time you will get it as 0. So this is set state and it is reset state. So this is a property, and R0 S0 is going to be not allowed. Not allowed. Okay, so this is RS flip flop. So simply it is going to be acting as a 1-bit memory element. 1-bit memory element depending on the values. If you give R is equal to 0, S is equal to 1, always Q will be at R is equal to 0 and S is equal to 1. If R is equal to 0, if you give R is equal to 0, S is equal to 1, always the Q will be at 1 and Q bar will be at 0. That implies nothing but every time, even if you check after 5 minutes or 5 hours or 5 days, the node values across these 2 points are going to be 1 and 0 for the given combination of R0 S1. So that implies nothing but for the given input values, output has memorized those values at those nodes. The values at those nodes are going to be constant, they are not changing. So that we can say that when the output has memorized the previous values, they have stored those values. That is nothing but they are storing 1 bit of information. So it can be said it as 1-bit memory element. Okay, since it doesn't include clock, we cannot say it as clock delay element. And since it is a cross connection from output to input, it is going to be a cross connection is there, output to input. Okay, this is cross connection between the two NAND gates. Because of cross connection implies nothing but output to input, which is going to be treated as feedback. So there is a feedback exist in this circuit, so it cannot be a combinational circuit. Combinational circuit doesn't have any feedback, whereas this latch is going to be having feedback. Okay, so the right answer for this one is nothing but RS latch is a 1-bit memory element. Thank you.